Hi and welcome to this week's Something for the Weekend. I'm Tony, Sales Manager here at Martin Lynch & Sons, and this week we're going to be going through the Black Friday specials. Yes, we've been running it for a week for those of you that have been paying attention. However, there's some more deals on offer this weekend. So, starting off with Yaesu, let's take a little look at the mobile radios. So, the 818ND, we've got £50 off. And we all know about the 818s, still relevant in 2022 of course. HF 6 meters, 270 multiband, 5 watts. FTM400 XDE, so 270 and dual receive on that as well. Lovely big screen, £25 off. Another £25 off on the FTM 6000D. I want to say 600. And it's weird because most of the people that call say exactly the same as well, 600, but it is the 6000D. 270, nice and basic analog transceiver. Next to that, FTM300DE, £25 off. Good thing about the 300 is the Bluetooth connectivity on there, so you can get it to work with the in-car Bluetooth if you're very clever. Moving across to the big boys, FTDX101MP, £100 off the FTDX101MP. We do also have a B stock one of these in stock as well. And the good thing with the Black Friday deal is we're doing Tony's 2. So that's 2% off if you use the code Tony's 2 on the website. So that comes off the B stock price, which I think is give or take about another 25 or £50 off the price of that. But see the website for details. Moving around, Henry. So we can get him to work today. There's a fair bit to go through. FT710 back in stock again. Obviously no special deals on these. However, if you do ring up, we may give you free shipping. Feeling quite generous. FTDX10, £100 off. So down to $13.99.99. So a little look for those. Haven't seen it before. So again, does the 3D SS scope on that. HF and 6 meters. USB if you want to do your FT8, etc. No problem at all. And yeah, cashback, £85 and $210, I believe, on the DX101MP. Right, moving across. So many offers at the moment, I keep forgetting. FT891, £50 off of the 891. Now, HF and 6 mobile. And as I've said many times with these, the DNR is superb and the receiver is really good on these. So grab one of those. ATAS are back in stock as well. Grab one of those and away you go. FT991A at $11.99.95. So HF 62 and 70, built-in ATU, and again USB on the back, all important. Right, moving across to ICOM. IC-7300. We've got £100 off the 7300. Let's see if we can get some colour on that for you. So SDR transceiver, HF 6 and 4 meters, 100 watts as standard. Obviously a little bit less power on 4 meters as always with the 4 meter transceivers. These don't come with it, by the way, but they are available from stock. IC-7100, we've got £50 off. And I've got very limited stock of these. Rumours are that we won't see stock until next year if we do see stock again. Okay, IC-9700. A little touch on there. So 2 meters, 70 sems and 23 sems. We've got £100 off of that, so down to $17.99.95. And this one I don't think I've plugged in. Oh, I have. There we go. Come on. Fire that one up for you. It's the receiver, ICR 8600. If I remember rightly, up to 3 gigahertz reception. And £50 off. So moving over, IC7610. Just got a new batch of these in. £100 off the 7610. HF and 6 meters, no 4 meters on these, so bear that in mind. But you can always buy a 7300 to go with it. Dual receive on these. And the beauty of this is, as you can see, straight out to a big monitor, which is a great job. IC-705. Now, I've got one of these. Oh. Also got one of these little Z mounts on the bottom of mine as well. And we do these cages here. So HF 6, 2 and 70 and D-Star is standard. 5 watts on the battery, 10 watts if you use an external power supply, but absolutely love mine. And they are $13.99.99, but we are doing 40% off various accessories with it. So if you want the rucksack, for example, you can add that on, or go for the little tuner here as well, H705. And I've heard these are very, very good. Right, moving across, we'll go to Kenwood. I tricked myself there. So £50 off the 990S. We do have some of the last models available in the UK. So if you do want one, we do ship worldwide. Get your order in very, very quick, because as I said, there's limited stock of these left. I think there's literally only a couple of these left in the world now. TS890S, again, limited stock on these. I've got another batch coming in the new year, but if you want it before Christmas, make sure you order it now. 590SG. Got £50 off the 590SG, and as you can see, I normally push these ones to CW ops, because you can go down to 50 Hertz on the internal filtering. So great CW radio. If you're not into CW, but you want something simple anyway for SSB, that's the way to go. Right, moving across. I should have started around there for you, shouldn't I? I know. Let's get you moving. Let's get you moving. Okay, so we're going to look at the Astron range of power supplies. We've got £25 off on these, so SS50 I should say. So we've got 50 amp power supplies and 30 amp available from Astron, and £25 off the SS30 AP. Nice USB connections on there as well for running your ancillaries. Coming across to here, £50 off Yaesu M1 microphones. And then we've got the wonderful JNC radio VNA. Should have taken that out of the box really, Henry, and I've been a little bit lazy there, but there is a lot to go through. £25 off the larger SV4401 Alpha. Lovely range of boxes. Look on the website, look on the links, etc. for these. You will see them there. They're the great little VNAs. This is the one with the larger screen, the one that Gary raves on about. Moving across matte tuners, we've got £10 off a variety of matte tuners in stock as well. Sun SDR2 Pro, £50 off of that. They're becoming very hard to come by now, but a great SDR transceiver. And if you're running it with a linear, etc., good way to go. So I think it's 20 watts output on these. Okay, if you're an aviation man, FTA 850Ls, £50 off of those. If you know someone who flies, private pilot, etc., then worth mentioning we've got those. FT70s are £10 off. FT5Ds, £25 off. FTM200s, £25 off those as well. And then we've got the 578 UV Plus if you're into your DMR, with £25 off. Rig Expert, £50 off. Oh, and for those that want to know the model number of this, which I should have checked beforehand, is the AA650 Zoom. There we go. And FTM Duos, £25 off on those. So, loads of offers available for you on our Black Friday deals. They will be running through until Sunday. And also with our used equipment, as you can see, all around the shelves. We're not going to go through that today. However, if you use the code USED5, you will get 5% whatever the price is on the website or in store. So give us a quick call. You can get great savings. I mean, it's nearly a couple of £100 off some of these transceivers, so it's worth doing using the codes. Also, Tony's 2 on the B stock. Order a bit of B stock equipment, put in Tony's 2, we knock 2% straight off. And don't forget as well, you also get 1% back on any of your purchases online. So it's worth doing it online, and it saves us a bit of work as well. Anyway, I was going to kind of end it there, but there is more. So don't forget, we are stockists for Step IR. We have certain antennas in stock from the range, and we're giving up to £200 off on some of those. So if you're looking for a decent antenna, give us a call with the Step IRs. Also SPEs, discounts on the 1.5 and 1.3s. ACOM 1010, 2020, 700S. We've got discounts up to £100 off on those. NN7000s, Flex Range, and of course the AC rotators, worth giving us a call. Anyway, look for hamradio.co.uk/sell. So just go onto the website by typing in that URL and you'll see all of our offers available there. Anyway, have a good weekend and we'll see you soon. Take care.